Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Joseph and I'm doing my BTech third year from Carolina University in Computer Science and Engineering. So today I'll be teaching you one program of web technology that this is a PHP program. So there's a question which I got from my university in web technology lab. So it's about PHP and it's super global variables. So they asked me to design a multi-page shopping cart and PHP using super global variable sections post again. Use PHP sessions to store page-wise some form field values and validate form field values on each page using HTML5 form elements. At the end, correct values from all pages and display the summary page notes. Super global variables are used to retain value of a form and can transfer them from one page to another. While dealing with the forms, information can be submitted and transferred to the same or another page. To send submitted data to form, one can use get and post method. As in get method, key values are passed in a URL, while in post, the information transfers in a hidden manner. Before sending information to the server, it converts slides information to a query using a query string in URL. Query string generated by post method never appears in address bar that is sent for the user. Therefore, we can use this method for sending sensitive information to the server. Moreover, post method is used to send binary data to the server without any restrictions to data size. So let's see the code. So this is my HTML page, and I've given this is my HTML page, and I've given the title as shop till you drop. And then there's the body. Then I've uploaded one image, and there's editor JPG, and I've given the width as 100% height as 200 pixels, and I've made a form. And then there's the input checkbox, and then I've uploaded one image. There's the other image, and there's the label clothing item, and there's the import type radio. So it's a radio button, like you can select either men's shirt, women's shirt, or children's shirt depending on your choice. Then how much quantity do you want, the most size is what color do you want. So there is the table. This is for the table data. That is, you can give your input, and then this is the select options. That is, you can select size, what size do you want, and then this is you select name equals color, like what color you want. So option value is red, green. So and then there's at last there's a submit button. Click on submit, and it will be submit, and it will take you to the next page. So totally we have 3 pages. First is for the shopping, second is for or to input users order details, and the third one is order summary. So let's look into it. So there's the very first PHP page of this program. So in my body part, and in this body part, the session start, like I've started the session. Then if set $post submit, if $post then equals to $post funded equals to post size equals to post color, if empty $post checklist set a location and declares the location, then else $session checklist equals to $post checklist, $session gender equals to $post gender, $session quantity equals to $post quantity, $session size equals to $post size, $session color equals to $post color. Pattern location PHP project 1 experiment 8 dot experiment b dot html. So that is, if you take from experiment 8a to experiment 8b dot html, so if you take it to the next page. So what is this next page? So there is the next page. So it is the shipping information which you're supposed to give. That is, the user has to input its orders detail. And then there's form action, and there's table which I have made, and there's a first name, enter your first name, and there's the input type text. My name equals the F name, and the last name, and my input type is equals to text. And street address, give all the question text which you want to give, and then address line. There's the address line, and then there's a city, then there's a type, it's a text name, it's a city, the state, and then there's select, so name equals to state, then value equals to Chennai, value equals to Coimbatore, value equals to Delhi. Then there's name, zip code, just give it, all the things, and phone number, email address, shipping. So I've got this thing. And then there's experiment ab.php. So in this I started the session, and if it's set $post submit, and $session f name equals to $post f name, $session l name equals to $post l name, $session add one equals to $post start, $session after equals to $post start two, $session city equals to $post city, $session state equals to $post state, $session zip equals to $post zip, $session $session page number equals to $post page number, $session email equals to $post email, $session video equals to $post video, add a location, and this location of file. and then it will take you to the 8C page. That's the last one, which is nothing but order summary page. So session start count amount equals to 0, it could be, and then this is the output which you will get as the order summary. And then I've made one table, and then this for each order session checklist I have selected. So dollar count plus F, dollar selected equals the share, yeah. So dollar amount equals dollar session quantity and all the things. And then that's it. So then in order to, so I don't have any server, so like I can make this machine as my local host and I can directly access from it. So for that I need XAMPP control. So in this Apache and MySQL is started, these are as we started, and then I can use it. So like open any of the browser which you want to open, and then type away local host, whatever the file name which you have to run. For example, you have to run this as PHP project fund. So just give it and then click away. So it will take it to the first web page, and it will decide next shared quantity. How much do I want? One will be enough for me. My size is sorting at the color. I want this blue. And next, so it will take you to this page where you have to give the info. So your first name is sorry. Street address, sorry, I got the order summary. So that's it, guys, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching my video, and in case if you have any doubts, feel free to ask it out in the comment section. We'd love to clear your doubt. Thank you.